always confusing when these... So which way is up? Which way is the sun going to hit on this diagonal? The sun is upward. The sun is up and over to the right. So this makes sense. This would be in shadow. This is definitely in shadow. So I'm a big fan of the Bible Project, and it looks like the Bible Project is going to be spending a very, very long time on the Sermon on the Mount. 3 whole chapters is going to take at least a year. It's going to take a long, well, I think they're going to take a whole year on 3 full chapters. So everything that on the podcast, everything on the videos that they make is going to be about Sermon on the Mount all the time. So there was a video about it. They put that on YouTube, and also if you're listening to the podcast, they spoke about that for an hour. It's amazing how many Bible readers want all this content. I've listened to every single episode from the Bible Project on their podcast, and they started since 2014. Well, the podcast has been going on for, I think, 8 years. So that's an hour of content, 52 weeks out of the year, times 8. Is that 400? That's like 400 hours of classroom content. I'm not sure what kind of degree is that? Is that a bachelor's degree, master's degree? Thing is, I can't prove that can't prove how smart I am. Can't prove all the things I know. I guess I could write a paper, but who would I hand it into? Peter. I keep thinking of Peter. Peter was called a unskilled ordinary man, and yet he had been with Jesus, and he had been the Pharisees were astounded at him for the things that he knew. How does a fisherman know these things? Stepping away to make some dinner. Actually, you know what? I am going to be raiding out. What time is it? It is 6:58. It is time to raid out. Let's see who's available to raid. Who's it gonna be? Okay, we only have 2 viewers, so maybe we'll just end the stream. Thank you for stopping by, Snowman Crazy. Thank you for the conversations in the chat. I will be here tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I'll be here on Thursday from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Rating out. Oh, just ending stream. Peace.